How to get a virtual Revolut Junior card. Want to give your child a safe way to spend online? Let's set up a Revolut Junior virtual card. So in the main Revolut app, parents, you'll need to go to the home on the bottom menu and then tap the card icon in the top right and then select add new. Select kids and teens at the top and choose an existing account or create a new one. Follow the prompts to complete your order by selecting the virtual card option. Now, as for the limitations, a kid can request a virtual card if they are 13 or above. A kid can only hold two virtual cards at the same time. After reaching these card limits, you must wait 30 days before you can create a new one. And that is how to get a virtual Revolut Junior card. And if it's for business use, of course,